This is a 2008 Scion XB Unlimited Edition driver door. What you are about to witness is something simple. That is plastic. But what's even more important is that right there is the mechanical cable which locks and unlocks the driver door. One of the most sophisticated technologies known to man, and I'm going to try to manipulate it somehow. Of course, I'm moving the lock here, so obviously if you see it, if it works. Follow this back to where I have hacked it. I've used a sophisticated technique of using what is considered by many a knife. And I use this knife to very carefully do what it's supposed to do, destruct. So anyways, I'll try to make it perfect. I'm trying to pull this back and I can't get it back. Now, so I got my gloves on. Please give me 20 minutes while I do this. Well, I might be able to just do it now. Hold on just a second. Okay, that should be good enough if the camera zooms in. Or not. Okay, here we go. You see that steel rope right there? And with this blurry ass? Well, when I move the lock cable, that rope doesn't move, which means it's a protective layer protecting this itty bitty cable. And you want me to cut into this rope to try to get to that cable without breaking the cable. Yeah, right. I don't even know how that's possible. I don't even know. Let's see if you can get the sun is the enemy. Okay, there's a better look at the cable. It's a pretty thick cable. Of course, it's hollow inside, but obviously to hold this itty bitty cable. But yeah, that's the sophistication project I'm doing right now. I'd rather be swapping motors than doing this, but I gotta get this door lock working again, at least power wise. So if anybody knows in this country how to mod this line to properly, wirelessly, with power, 12 volts preferred, DC, or I could do some trickery, make it run on AC if I had to, get this to work, I would be, I don't know what I'd be. I'd pass out. So there you have it. Special thanks to Justin for suggesting me to do this video.